Hello, my great people. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Josh Muuo, and this is African Focus. So, today I'm taking you guys to Kitengela town. Kitengela town, as you all know it, or maybe if you don't, is a town that is actually 30 kilometers away from Nairobi city. So, owing to the new projects that have been going on, specifically the expressway, it's going to be so easy to get from Nairobi into Kitengela. And I am sure for a fact that that is going to improve the economic situation there in Kitengela town and infrastructure as well as real estate. So a little bit about Kitengela. It is a town in Kajiado County. Kitengela is one of the fastest growing urban areas of Kenya, according to the census of 2019, that is. And Kitengela is close to Athi River town in Machakos County in the former Eastern Province, while Kitengela belongs to Kajiado County, the former Rift Valley Province. Kitengela is growing quickly and is expanding with a huge influx of middle-class Nairobians who have built lovely gated communities and businesses in an unprecedented construction boom, thanks to the affordable land compared to Nairobi city, as well as availability of 5 cement companies and growing infrastructural amenities. Kitengela is famous for nyama choma. Yes, because of the Maasai people who dwell mostly in Kajiado County, there's plenty of livestock in the name of beef, and so nyama choma is very easily accessible. Kitengela has a wide variety of financial institutions and SACCOs that have flooded the town to finance the construction boom as well as cater to the soaring middle class population. It is also seen that hotels, clubs, and other entertainment facilities have sprouted in that area to cater for this new upcoming demographic. In recent times, Kitengela has developed a reputation for new, unique, cutting-edge entertainment facilities such as Pavilion XV Lounge, Halicon Lounge, and 034, a 5-star club nestled in Airplane, have sprung in the town. A first of Kenya, of course. As Kitengela's middle-class population has boomed, so has the wide variety of high-end schools and university to cater to the children of the middle classes. Some of the schools include Kitengela International Schools, Acacia Crest, Chuna Preparatory, Orchard Schools, Nova Pioneer Kitengela, and numerous more. Some of the universities and colleges include KCA University Kitengela Campus, Kitengela Institute of Management Studies, KAG East University, East Africa University, RAF International University, among others. Kitengela's gated communities for the middle class include Chuna, Milimani, Royal Gates, New Valley, Mungai Prestige, New World Gardens, Safaricom 1 and 2, Police Sacco Estate, among others. There's so many. This is a significance of how well this town will enjoy the benefits of the expressway. It is growing already, but once that expressway is complete and open, the economic condition of this town is going to skyrocket into the highest level possible. Either way, Kitengela is served by Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Athi River SGR station, as well as a future commuter rail station that is currently under construction that will connect commuters to Nairobi CBD. So that's all I have for you for this episode about Kitengela. If you happen to leave or want to leave or have plans to stay in Kitengela, please tell me in the comments. If you've lived there for a long time and seen the developments come up, tell us what you think about it, how it has helped the communities, and yeah, feel free to tell me in the comments. I'm always available to reply to your comments, and I'll see you in the other one, guys. Enjoy the video.